The 2025 Volvo XC90 Plug-In Hybrid is making headlines again, but this time, it is for all the right reasons in safety. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety just awarded it the Top Safety Pick Plus rating, which is their highest honor. But there is a small catch. This recognition only applies to models built after December 2024. That detail matters because Volvo has clearly made some important updates that push this version over the top. What makes this hybrid sport utility vehicle stand out is not just the luxury or the quiet electric performance. It is the way Volvo has blended those features with real-world safety. It scored well in all the crashworthiness evaluations, including the challenging small overlap front and side tests. Even the pedestrian front crash prevention test earned it an acceptable rating. That is crucial as cities get more crowded and pedestrian safety becomes a higher priority. Volvo's standard front crash prevention system seems to be doing its job, and the headlights across all trims are rated acceptable or better, which meets the award criteria. This is not just about surviving a crash, it is about preventing one in the first place. For families or anyone who cares about safety and sustainability, this plug-in hybrid checks a lot of boxes. You get a spacious, high-tech interior, elegant Scandinavian design, and the added confidence that comes from one of the industry's top safety honors. Add in the fact that it is plug-in capable, and you have a sport utility vehicle that fits modern life in all the right ways. If you are thinking about buying the 2025 Volvo XC90 Plug-In Hybrid, make sure to check that it was built after December 2024 to ensure it includes all the safety updates that earned the award. And if safety, style, and sustainability are high on your list, this might be the vehicle that brings all of those priorities together. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the newest cars shaping our roads.